Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today and for the next few weeks, I'll be posting recipe videos using lentils. So be sure to come back to check out my other lentil videos if you are interested. We're making a flavorful lentil fish stew with red lentils today. Follow the steps in this video and you will see how simple, easy, and fast you can make this delicious meal. Let's get started. Here's 3.5 cups of a regular chicken broth. You can use any type of broth you like, and 1 cup of dry red lentils that have been rinsed and cleaned. Bring the broth and lentils to a boil, then turn the heat down to low and simmer for 20 minutes. While the lentils are simmering, cut 1 pound of white fish into pieces. I used cod here. Slice 2 medium yellow bell peppers into strips. Red, orange, or a combination of bell peppers will work too. And cut 2 medium tomatoes into large chunks. All the food prepping takes about 15 minutes, which gives you enough time to saute the vegetables while the lentils are still simmering. In a non-stick frying pan, pour in olive oil on medium heat. Add the sliced yellow bell peppers and the chopped tomatoes. Saute them with some basil, onion powder, garlic, and kosher salt until the bell peppers are slightly softened. This takes less than 5 minutes. In 20 minutes, the lentils should be fully cooked. Now, take a masher and gently break these lentils into pieces, which is easy to do because these lentils are very soft now. Season the mashed lentils with more basil, onion powder, and garlic. Yes, I like to season my food with every cooking stage so that all the food will get the flavors and taste delicious. Use a whisk to further break down the lentils into smaller pieces. There is no need to add more salt since the lentils were cooked in a regular broth, and that should give enough saltiness. You can always add more salt at the end if needed. Continue to cook down the lentil liquid to make it a little thicker with a chunky texture, which I like. Use a blender to blend the liquid if you want a smoother and creamier consistency. Add back the sauteed vegetables. Use red pepper flakes to give the fish stew a little kick. Use more or less according to your preference. Add the fish you prepared earlier. Cover them with the lentil liquid. Cook the fish on medium-low for 5 minutes. Some fresh lemon juice to brighten the dish. This smells so wonderful. You know it is going to be delicious. This lentil fish stew is perfect with rice or quinoa. Let me know what would you serve this with. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Happy eating and see you next time.